I'm Phredd Phurman, and I'm the stuffed animal wrestler.
Phredd Phurman! Phredd Phurman! Phredd Phurman! Phredd Phurman!
G'day, Phredd Phurman here, and I'm hot on the trail of a teddy bear. Have a look at this. You know what this is. This means a teddy bear's been here. One that's recently eaten. This is stuffed animal stuff. You know, the stuff after they've eaten. You can tell a lot about a teddy bear, where he's been, what he's been doing, what he's been thinking. Boy, what's in his stuff? Let's take a look where this teddy's been. Oh, you got the usual stuff. Stuffing. Somebody let this teddy bear have a key. Perhaps it was something to a locket or a diary. This could have been somebody very important stuffed animal, mate. What's this? A paper clip. It's possible that this is the kind of teddy commonly found with office products. You just never know. And have a look at this. Somebody was feeding this teddy. Yep, it's Smarties, all right. I've got to keep this. I'll take this back. We'll go back to the zoo. We'll catalog everything that's in the stuffed animals stuff. And we'll keep it. And it'll tell us a lot about the stuff of stuffed animals.
G'day, mate. I'm Phredd Phurman, and today we've gone on a Stuffy hunt. A Stuffy. If you meet a Stuffy out in the wild, remember Phredd Phurman's 5 rules. That his cat sits a child, and sits up from down under. I'll recount them back to front. Then you'll know what to do, mate, when you're on a Stuffy hunt. 1, take after that Stuffy, like a lizard flat out drinking.